Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Here's my Roll King 2005 Roll King Classic. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. We got videos like this coming up, sharing some of my motorcycle adventures, I guess, in a way. You know, sharing some of the things that I do with my bike and some of my daily lifestyle, if you want to put it that way. Make sure you subscribe to my main channel as well and check it out. This is the Roll King Classic with the Viking bags, the stretch bags, and you can see them right there. Now, before I get into his bags, I am going to put a b-roll with the old bags that we used to have in this bike, so it kind of gives you like a different, how does it look before to looks now. And I'm going to tell you, I'm loving it. I'm loving the look. There's a couple other things that I want to do to the bike, but so far I'm loving the look. And the best thing about it was that I bought it for, I want to say, about $430. That was essentially shipped to my house. $430 for this bags. It's just a fantastic deal. If you go to Viking website, obviously what you got to do is that you got to check out the essentially the discounts that they have. If you go to the website, it says, you know, usually gives you like a 15%. Sometimes they got 20, sometimes they got 30. I actually waited until I saw 30% off, and when I bought the bags, again, I put that discount code. It gave me 30% off, which was like $100 and something, and it came down to $430. And I'm gonna tell you, I love it. Really like the style, really like how they look, really like to, you know, how it makes the bike look completely different. So first of all, one of the things that I heard people complaining when I was doing research about this bags is that essentially it takes the key to open it up, and as you can see right here, I'm going to open it up right there, and to me that was not a big deal at all. You know, whatever, you know, takes the key, it is what it is. But again, you know, it's not a big deal at all. You use your key and then open it up. I guess it would be nice to have like a little button that you could press and open it up, but I do like the fact that they are secure, so I like that. And in this one in particular, it has this little pocket in here that allows you to put your paperwork and things like that. You guys know that always is kind of like a pain where you're gonna put that registration, insurance, and things like that. Same thing back here. Again, you got to use the key to open it up, which again, you know, I don't think it's a huge deal. It is what it is. Some people talked about that. So again, really nice. You can see how spacious it's in there. Very, very spacious. I mean, you could put all kind of different things in there. Makes it, I mean, again, very, very big. And it used the regular attachments that you're gonna have in your regular Roll King or bags. If you have some of those detachable attachments, it's just very simple. All you have to do is take them off and put them in there. The bags are already done completely. Like, you have really barely need any tools, because all you do is take this from your regular motorcycle. Again, if you have those detachable screws, and you insert it in here and put the bags on. I did have to readjust this lever right here to make sure it was adjusted, but what I did was that I loosed this up, kind of move it down a little bit. You guys can see I did some adjustments there, and boom, done deal. Again, really nice. You can hear when I close it, it kind of clicks in there, and they look very nice. It has the Viking bag band right there, and I do like it. It's not chrome or anything. I mean, it's just very, doesn't look any flashy or anything. I like it just like that. I think I would prefer not to have anything in there, just completely blacked out. But again, you know, it is what it is. Maybe in chrome, like a chrome piece or something, maybe that could be a choice that people can pick. And I would have liked to see some chrome with that in there, I guess. Has some reflected things right there. You can see them right there. And that's about it. I'm going to tell you a couple of specs right here from the website. It says complete and fully assembled baggers. I mean, obviously, like I said, they come and you just put them on. And I'm going to tell you, they look really, really nice when they come in the bag. I mean, they're like really well packed. Made from high quality fiber glass. Extended 4 inches. So obviously, this is the standard one. And there is other choices out there. You can actually buy them on gloss. You could buy them in white. You could buy them in, I mean, multiple choices. Regular ones. The ones that are not stretched. I mean, obviously, prices are different and all that. You guys can tell that these ones are actually fiber. Reinforced with internal mesh and fiber columns. 100% waterproof or water resistant. Again, I like that fiber with a leather, so it's kind of like a fiberglass with like leather around it, and I love it because it keeps the classic look. You kind of go into like bigger bags, you kind of go into stretch bags, you kind of go into all that, but at the same time you still have that leather look, which is fantastic. It was raining the other day, so I'm starting to get a little bit of rust. So I gotta clean that up. One thing that I want to do to the bike is that you guys can see between the back and the fender there's a gap. I want to put those gap fillers in there. I think it's gonna make the bike look really nice, and again, I think it's gonna make it look very, very nice. So there you have it, guys. Complaints, I guess there's the only complaint that I had is that it was shipped. Well, it was shipped really, really fast, like extremely fast. Like I bought them, and I think it was like a day or two was on the way. But when I got it, it had like a little bubble right here from the glue, and I kept going like this to it, and now it's gone. So now it looks perfect, right? It looks really nice, but it had like a little bubble. I feel like I still have maybe a little bit in there. Nah, but again, no rush. Really, no rush. I would have preferred to have no bubbles and make sure that everything looks great. If I had to wait another day, I'll wait another day. It's totally fine. But again, the bubbles kind of gone, and it was like a little piece. I want to say like back here where it sits right there. That the leather was a little bit coming out as well, so I kind of had to push it in, kind of glue it. You can see a little bit of the glue and all that. So again, not a huge deal. It works, but no need to rush. If they would have to take another day or two to send them perfectly, I would have been okay with that. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? Do you guys think it looks good? How does it make the bike look? Again, I appreciate you guys' feedback, and as always, God is in control.